I thought I'd do a drugstore makeup video today because I haven't actually used these products in a while, except for the foundation. So let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to be starting off with is putting on the MCO Beauty Flawless Glow, sort of like a primer, and it's the dupe for the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. There's a lot of angst in the world about these products by MCO Beauty going on at the moment, but they are affordable, you know, and mimicking other makeup brands. Now, it's been done before, you know, Makeup Revolution always copies other people, and everyone copies each other, you know, like what else can you do? And maybe people just don't have the brains to think of anything new anymore. But anyway, MCO Beauty, this one here is in the shade 3 Light. As a matter of fact, what I will be doing is mixing it with the e.l.f. Soft Glam foundation. This one here, it's a satin finish. So we'll mix these two products together. What I'll do is I will swipe some of this over the face. Now all I've got is last night's skincare on. I'm just shaking up the foundation, and again I'm using the e.l.f. Soft Glam foundation. Put a little pea-sized amount like that, and just everywhere we put the primer, we're just going to put that as well. Now I am going to be going in with a separate concealer as well. We'll do that in a bit. Now actually, what am I going to work this product in with? I need a damp beauty sponge, I think. Yes, I will be right back. Damp beauty sponge. I hope everyone's been well and looking after themselves and just pretty much being good. I'm here based in Sydney, Australia, and the temperature today is 24. The sun keeps dipping in and out, so apologies if the light isn't the best. Let me just check something. No, let's do it like that. Yep. So I'm just working that primer and foundation and pressing that into the skin, and this is more so just to even out the tones of your skin. If you have some uneven texture, you don't even have to go in with foundation. But honestly, I just felt like doing drugstore makeup today. I have a whole heap of makeup sitting in drawers unused, and I just need to pull them out and start decluttering. I know I've been talking about it for a long time, and when I do the declutter, I think there's a part of me that just wants to hold on to it. I know, but I've been very good. I haven't been buying any new makeup lately. As a matter of fact, I've been so not wanting to. It's just been like, I'm over it sort of thing. Although I do still love makeup so much, it's just nothing is grabbing my attention. Okay, now I'm going in with an oldie but a goodie, the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. And this one here is in the shade Vanilla, I think. Is it Vanilla? Something like that. I think it is Vanilla. I can't see it. Don't have my glasses. Just putting a tiny bit of that, like literally that much. It's the Bear With Me Concealer Serum. So I'm just pressing my fingers together and pressing that underneath the eyes, so that it just looks like this. We're going to leave it like this. No, I'm kidding. Same damp beauty sponge, and press that concealer into under the eyes, going up into the inner corners of the eyes to brighten the little dark area that's in the corner there. And just like that, it is blended. Oh, got a bit of a highlight happening here. Not that that's a bad thing, but it was a bit too much. Going in with the other eye, pressing that concealer in. I tell you what, lately I've been loving using a damp beauty sponge to apply things. Just so one and done, and then some. You know, you can go ahead with your bronzers, you can go ahead with your cream blushes. And there we have a nice bright-eyed concealed look. Okay, I was going to use some pressed powder, but I'm not going to be putting on eyeshadow today. Yeah, we're going eyeshadow free, so I'm going to skip this. But if I was going to be using it, I was going to be using the Rimmel Kind and Free to set under the eyes, but I really don't need to, because I find with the NYX Concealer Serum, it stays put. So there's no need for the Rimmel Kind and Free setting powder. So I'll put that aside, but I will be going in with the NYX Epic Wear eyeliner pencil. And I'm going to, do I need to sharpen this? You know what, I am going to sharpen it. Nice and sharp. We're lining over the eye, just from the middle of the eye to the outer corner of the eye. And a little flick on the outer edge of the eye there, just so it looks like that. Do the other eye. Little flick. And then smudge it out with your finger. Just slightly. Now, because the eyeliner on the ends is a little bit thick, I'm going to be thinning it out with just a cotton tip. Just go from the outer corner of the eye and flick upwards to shear out that liner. And simply, that's it. We're going to do some liner underneath the lower lash line, just on the outer corner. Not going in the rim, just on the outer corner, not even to the very middle of the eye, just literally 3/4 of the way. Well, 1/3 of the way, I should say. And I'm glad that I sharpened this pencil. And now we have liner on just the top thirds of the upper and lower eyes. I'm going to be applying the e.l.f. Lash Extender mascara. Be careful when you apply this one. If you go too close to the eye, it will literally stab your eye, so be very careful. But it's a tubing mascara, so it comes off really easily with warm water or when you're just regularly washing your face. So this is the wand. It's a silicone, and we're going to apply that on the top and bottom lashes. Mascara has now been applied on the top and bottom lashes using the e.l.f. Lash Extender mascara in Pitch Black. It is time to do some bronzing, and I am using an oldie but a goodie, the Essence Mosaic Compact Powder Bronzer. And this one here is in the shade Sun Kissed Beauty. And actually, before I do the bronzer, I'm going to be putting on the e.l.f. Putty Blush with my damp beauty sponge. So let's go ahead and put that on first. Just dipping in my sponge, just to get a bit of that colour. And we're applying that on the cheeks for a beautiful, healthy, sun-kissed flush. Look at that, guys. Oh, that is really, really, really pigmented. I forgot how pigmented this color was, but I'm loving it. I am definitely loving it. We're gonna shear it out, don't worry. So it's looking kind of crazy like that. Get the other side of the damp beauty sponge and just press it in to shear that out. It literally looks like you have been burnt or sunburnt by the sun, which is not a good thing to be sunburnt, but how nice does it look? How healthy and flush looking does it look? We'll put a bit of that over the nose. Tie it in all together. Yeah. I think that looks kind of cool. All right. We've sheared that out. I'm using a big fluffy bronzing brush by Sigma Beauty. This is a F29 HD bronze brush. Dipping into that powder and bronzing away over the blush if you want to. It's a very light bronze. Okay, I'm using the NYX brow glue to do my eyebrows. This is how it comes out. Sticky brush, and just loving this one. I love it because it reminds me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow soap, but this just has a little tiny bit of a tint to it. And I literally forgot I had this product. Don't see, this is what happens when you get stuck into your routine of using the same thing day in, day out. And simple, okay, just simple. Time for lips, okay. I'm using the Essence Hydra Matte lipstick. This is a shade called 402. It's just a really simple brownie beige color. I'm not even lip lining at all today, so I'm just going to be filling in the lips with the lipstick. Now you could leave it like that, nice and taupe, but I'm going to be completing it today with the ColourPop Ultra Gloss Lip, and I need to put my glasses on to see this. This one here is in the shade Fudged. Just show you guys. Fudged. Got to be careful I don't put that all over myself. I can take my glasses off now because otherwise can't see. That is pretty. That is really a lovely color. I like that. I like that a lot. Yep, what do you know? I'll probably put that all through my hair, just, yep. So guys, that is the completed casual but soft glamish look using Drugstore makeup today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and consider sharing it with someone who you think might get some use out of it. Let me know in the comments below if this is a type of makeup tutorial you prefer rather than high-end makeup. Although I do love my high-end makeup, I can't help it. On that note, guys, I hope you have a lovely rest of the day and week wherever you are. Be safe, be kind, take care of yourself. Love you all. Bye for now.